Let's delve into the world of Node.js and explore the concepts of blocking versus non-blocking code. We'll aim to understand synchronous and asynchronous code execution, which are fundamental to writing efficient and responsive applications. What exactly is blocking code? Blocking code is the type of code that halts the execution of your program. It waits until a specific operation is completely finished before it proceeds to the next line of code. This can cause delays and make your application less responsive, especially when dealing with time-consuming tasks. Here's an example of blocking code using the file system module in Node.js. First, the file system module is required. Then the readFileSync function is called to read the contents of file.txt. This operation is blocking, which means the program will wait until the entire file is read into the data variable. Only after that, it proceeds to print the content of data, and subsequently prints next operation. This demonstrates how blocking operations can pause the execution of the rest of your code. Let's understand non-blocking code. Non-blocking code allows the program to continue executing other operations while it waits for a particular task to complete. Instead of halting, it initiates the task and moves on, handling the result later. This approach ensures that the application remains responsive and doesn't get stuck waiting for long processes to finish. Here's an example of non-blocking code using the file system module. First, the file system module is required. Then, instead of readFileSync, readFile is used. ReadFile takes a callback function as an argument. The program initiates the file reading, but instead of waiting, it immediately moves to the next line and prints next operation. When the file reading is complete, the callback function is executed, and the content of the file is printed. This is how non-blocking operations allow other parts of the code to run without waiting. Let's summarize the key differences between blocking and non-blocking code. Blocking code waits for an operation to complete before moving to the next line, while non-blocking code continues execution while the operation runs in the background. Therefore, blocking code can cause delays, while non-blocking code ensures the application remains responsive. The event loop is very important in enabling non-blocking behavior in Node.js. The event loop manages asynchronous operations, allowing Node.js to handle multiple tasks concurrently without blocking the main thread. It operates in a single-threaded environment, but ensures that the application never gets blocked, thus maintaining high performance and responsiveness. Here are a few best practices to keep in mind when dealing with blocking and non-blocking operations. First, always prefer non-blocking or asynchronous methods for better performance. Second, make sure to implement error handling and callbacks, so your application can gracefully manage any issues that arise during asynchronous operations. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.